Hi guys, this is Abid. Textures plays a beautiful role in fabric painting. Hot wax create amazing visual textures with the help of different materials. For example, different sizes of the brushes, wires, sponge, dry grass, blocks and net. In this video, I tried to create textures in very simple way. You can use these textures in your batik painting. You can find different materials from your surroundings and utilize them in your batik art. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's start the video. I have already diluted my silk paint in water, one part of yellow ochre color and the two parts of water. Apply the paint with sponge on the surface of the fabric, but if you are working on the large size fabric, apply the water on the fabric first, then apply the paint. Let the fabric dry after painting. In this video, I am using spoon for batik. Take small amount of wax in the spoon and pour this wax over the fabric. Paint the fabric after bathing. Today I am using cotton net fabric. You can use any fabric for this texture. After bathing, add burnt brown in yellow ochre and two parts of water. Mix it and apply the color on the fabric with sponge and let the fabric dry after painting. After bathing, mix two parts of burnt brown, one part of black and two parts of water. Apply this color on the second layer of batik and after painting, let the fabric dry. In this layer, after bathing, mix burnt brown in black and add two parts of water, mix it well and paint the fabric with sponge and let it dry. Let the fabric dry after painting. When the colors dry out, remove the wax from the fabric. I have already made a video on it. You can get the link from this video description. Wax is removed now. Iron the batik piece 4 to 7 minutes. I used iron fixed silk paints in this video. If you are using silk dyes, iron the fabric according to the suggested video and follow the instructions given on the dyes label. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.